How much do you know? How much time have you had to look at this, Jonathan?
About 18 minutes,
18
give or take.
So, is it is it Kraft Heinz offering a premium for Unilever? Is it a merger view? What is the? Do you know what the price? Did they talk about the price actually being offered, and what does it value Unilever at versus the current market cap of Unilever?
So nothing's been disclosed. All that's happened is a report from FT Alphaville this morning, and then a follow-up confirmation from Kraft. Not a statement or anything detailed, but a confirmation from Kraft that a proposal to combine the two groups has been made, and Unilever has declined that proposal. That's really all we know for sure, other than the underlying margin and margin opportunity of Unilever and size of Unilever and Kraft. We know all that stuff. We know, obviously.
I mean, so it sounds like a bear hug. They got rebuffed and then they went public. Is that what happened?
Well, it certainly sounds that way. It certainly sounds like a typical opening salvo of a merger approach. Even it's hard to tell at this point what's actually friendly and unfriendly. Oftentimes, the standard procedure to decline a first proposal. So, we'll have to see. We haven't seen a formal response. At least I haven't, from either Unilever or Kraft, a white paper or anything like that. I'd expect to see things like that in the coming days.
You put these two guys together, and I mean, the economies of scale would be incredible. That's why Kraft is up, I guess, right? Even if they did have to pay a premium?
The way I look at it is a lot like the Anheuser-Busch SAB-Miller transaction. What this does, a lot more than just margin opportunity, is you get Kraft Heinz into long-term growth opportunities structurally in developing markets that are very, very attractive, and we have thought they've been very attractive for a long time. It's a short-term, long-term thing. It's you spend a lot of time trying to make money in developed markets and things like packaged food and your HPC products in developed markets, but in my view, the real structural growth opportunity is building those adoption rates of high-margin products all around the world. That's where the money's been made in consumer staples in the past 50 years. It's going to be more so the next 50, and I think that's what this transaction signals, like the roadmap with Bud and SAB-Miller before.
What do you think Unilever would want in terms of, I'm looking at a long-term chart here. We're almost at new high territory now, I guess. How much would they want to go friendly, do you think?
Well, it's really hard to say. It's really hard to say that. I mean, our target price has been $49 for a long time before knowing anything about this and bartering, them wanting to barter the potential synergies that Kraft Heinz has. I've looked at the EBITDA margin at Procter & Gamble, which is in many respects a comparable company. At least most of that 800 basis point delta, say about a third difference in EBITDA between Procter EBITDA percentage and Procter and Unilever as a relevant upside opportunity. So $49 probably a starting point, and then it just depends on how much opportunity they see, and of course what equity participation there is, if any, here.
Sure.
Because this is a very, very big deal, and we'll have to see. We don't know the details on how Kraft intends to finance this, but this has more EBITDA than Kraft Heinz in 2018.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.